What is collaborative divorce? Collaborative divorce is an alternative to the traditional contested divorce process that is designed to address divorce and family law issues in a respectful and equitable way outside of the court system. The goal of the collaborative process is to reach a fair settlement that meets everyone's needs without the pressure and uncertainties of litigation. In collaborative divorce, the parties and their attorneys work together in a cooperative atmosphere through a series of four-way meetings to address each spouse's unique concerns and to advance their interests without the often arbitrary, one-size-fits-all resolutions available through the court. The heart of collaborative practice is that it offers you and your spouse or partner the support, protection, and guidance of your own lawyers without going to court. In addition, you have the benefit of child and financial specialists, divorce coaches, and other professionals all working together on your team toward one goal, a mutually acceptable agreement that meets everyone's needs and allows you and your spouse to move on with your lives. These collaborative professionals have specialized training in marital conflict resolution. Because this process takes place outside of the purview of the court system, there isn't the pressure or uncertainty which often accompanies traditional litigation. With the threat of litigation gone, the collaborative process fosters open communication and creative solutions. It is in this environment of mutual respect that you and your spouse, with the help of the collaborative team, negotiate a mutually acceptable divorce agreement. How is collaborative divorce different than contested divorce? In a contested divorce, it is a win-at-all-cost system, pitting lawyer against lawyer and husband against wife. Continuing conflict aggravates existing painful emotions. Legal costs soar. Children suffer as the conflict escalates. Confidential financial and personal matters become public record. In collaborative divorce, husbands and wives, assisted by trained attorneys, reach a settlement with minimal antagonism. A structured and controlled setting encourages trust and objectivity in negotiations. Legal costs can be contained. Parties can protect children's feelings and interests. And, since there are no public hearings, confidentiality is more easily maintained. In a traditional contested divorce, a judge divides property and establishes custodial provisions using standards that may not meet the family's particular needs. Negotiations often take place in crowded courthouses under intense pressure. Proceedings may be prolonged, and although most cases settle, by that time much of the damage has already been done and substantial costs incurred. In collaborative divorce, attorneys and spouses can design more creative property and custodial agreements based on their particular needs. Negotiations occur in a neutral environment according to your timetable. Agreements can be reached more efficiently. Parties agree to settle at the onset in a process that is conducive to helping them heal and move forward. Communication is an important part of the collaborative process. In a contested divorce, communication is linear, flowing back and forth through lawyers. The spouses do not communicate directly. In a collaborative case, everyone has a voice and communication between the spouses is encouraged. Everyone communicates with one another. Experts are neutral and shared. This team approach is the foundation of the process. In a collaborative divorce, all parties sign a participation agreement, signifying their commitment to resolving their disputes without resorting to the court process. Other elements of this agreement include confidentiality, open disclosure, negotiation in good faith, and participation with integrity. By avoiding costly litigation, collaborative divorce preserves more of the family's finances for the future. Respectful relationships between the parties can also be preserved. And perhaps most important, children do not become pawns in the divorce or subject to the stress of ongoing legal proceedings. To learn more, contact one of our collaborative professionals today and find out if collaborative law might work for you.